Alright, today we are taking a little drive through Garden of the Gods. It's nestled in between the springs in Manitou. It's an incredibly beautiful city-owned park. Although it's not a national park, it is designated as a National Natural Landmark by the National Park Service. It is a completely free-to-enter park and open to public all days of the week with gates closing at night. It's a great place to get out and exercise or just pass through to clear your mind on a work break. Several loops you can drive or kind of through drives you can take from one side to the other. All of them are different lengths depending on your reason for being at the garden. So you can pretty much enter from any direction. The two ways I've filmed today I feel are the most common entrances used, or at least the ones that I use the most. We have one of the southwestern entrances off Becker Lane in Manitou, which takes you right into the trading post, through the parking lot, and directly into the middle of the park. We have one of the eastern entrances directly across from the GOG Visitor Center, which in my opinion is like the second best view of Pikes Peak in the Springs due to the layering of foreground colors and framing of the mountain. If you're in Colorado Springs, this can be either a short trip or an all-day type of thing, but definitely something you should check out. It's a super pretty place to be when it's raining, when it's snowing, when it's sunny outside, and when it's overcast. Thanks for tuning in and enjoy the scenery. Peace.